Thank you, Upton, for testing early today. Thank you, Upton, for testing early today. I can get WXL 40 right now, so thank you. Thank you, Upton.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability.
I don't care if it tones as an unrecognized message. It was supposed to go off for advisory in the first place.
In good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in southeast New York: Bronx, Kings, Nassau, New York, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Richmond, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. In northern and central New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. And in southwest Connecticut, Fairfield. Once again, this was only a test.
Well, thank you, Upton, for testing early, because I'm getting WXL 40 and they test at 11:10. I can't tell if this is WXL 40 or PHI. Nope, it's WXL. PHI's testing now. PHI's testing now.
This is a week record. There were 17...
Okay, WXL's going.
WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
But, nobody else is.
7 above normal. Receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Conducted by the National Weather, which is 100.
Okay.
During the normal test time.
WXL is tested,
Weather day.
but nobody else seems to be testing.
Is 49. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be, which is 0.70.
Nobody else is yet to relay the RWT still.
Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill. And in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio. Mostly sunny. Total in town, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Okay, weird. So WXL tested, but the rest of PHI is still yet to test. Finally! What took you so long after WXL 39 tested? What took you so long to test? WXL 39 already tested. Where are you?
Weather Radio All Hazards warning device for station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations.
Oh, WXM 60's going off. Alright, I guess we wait for WNG and... Oh, they're going. And this thing failed.
During potentially dangerous
WX case should be going eventually, like right about now.
Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
WXL twice, tested twice. Are you kidding me?
This variability. Chesapeake. Best of NOAA Weather Radio.
That's WXJ94.
In New Jersey. In the upper.